Alright, we are at 726 Weber. Do an outside clean out here. We're going to go ahead and go down. And zero that out. 6 foot down. This line was cleaned this morning. Does have just a small amount of roots right there. Nothing too big. The line looks good. Clay piping. Looks like line is going underwater. 22 feet out. Okay.
Maybe eventually this becomes glass.
So, looks like we're dropping real good. Everything's looking great beyond that point there. Collars look good. We're at 47 feet out. A few little places where roots will go, but the cable don't get all that. Looking good. Still looking good. 65 feet out. Still going good. We got into a second little belly there. A few little roots on the side there, nothing major. Underwater.
So can you see anything yet? We're seeing.
We're out to the city there.
Pardon me?
At 108 feet. Out to the city at 108 feet.
It goes that way?
Yep, I'm running.
Yeah, you're running to the alley.
Yep. So, I want to show you one spot here. Let me get back to it.
So you got to the alley already?
Yes, ma'am.
And there's only one spot? It looks good.
I want to show you just
That's really nice to hear.
one valley that I've noticed in there.
Which I can't do anything about.
No, I mean, well, you can. It's about a 6 foot.
I'll be right there, John. I'm just saying I'm
Okay.
And you'll give me a report, right?
Yes, ma'am. I'll take it to the office. The office will email it to you.
Now, John, you can't go, well, this one, I know the sewer's right there in the house, and that doesn't seem to have a problem. But we can't go back into this one, can
No.
we?
Nope.
Shoot. Okay.
But looking to see where it ties in, everything looks good. That clay looks great. You have a few spots where a little bit of roots are, but since you have an outside clean out, you could put in like a Root-X, which is a foaming agent, that'll actually get rid of all the roots in the line.
Really?
Yep.
And how often do you do that?
I tell people to do it once a year, especially right after you have a drain clean, because those roots are nice and fresh. What it does is it foams up, you put it in here, you mix it, because in a 2-pound container, since we know it's 100 feet, pour it in, flush it with 5 gallons of water.
Which is easy.
Yep. That's all the water you want to run for 6 hours. What that does is that activates the
You
foaming
mean you
agent.
put the water in here and run it for 6 hours?
Nope. You flush it with a 5 gallon of water and no water for 6 hours.
Oh, no water for 6 hours.
Yeah,
Right.
you don't want to dilute.
Mm-hmm. Was it nice and clean for you?
It was.
That was really nice of her to do.
You can just see it.
What do you think, Bill? I think that's great. Yeah, and I'll paint the door. I mean, eventually I'll paint everything. But if you get more light, if you put better picture, you can cut that back. Not to put that there. What?
Okay, I'll show you the. This is coming back.
Hang on just a second, Vic, and I'll walk through it with you.
And this is at 27 feet out.
Okay. So
And-
that's still on this property then?
Yep.
Oh,
That's
that's
just
good.
right in here. So that valley, this is the start of the valley, will go underwater. Now at 27 feet, 3, 4, that's 5 feet. She's got about a 7-foot valley in there.
Okay, and what do you worry, clogging or?
Well, it takes a gallon of water to push a gallon of water when you have it into a valley. Tissue, debris, and everything like that will actually get. It won't flush out as a gravity system should. It'll start accumulating in there. You can do things like a hydrojet, or even cabling it once a year would still help push it.
Well, I was planning on having it cleaned out every 2 to 3 times a year.
2 to 3 times a year.
And do you think I'll have any problem that way?
No.
And are you saying, like, I have a pressure washer, are you saying I should put the pressure washer down there or something?
Well, a hydrojetter it's a hose that goes in and it's high pressure water. And what it does when you have we recommend it over valleys that are over 3 foot long because it's going to take so much to push it out.
And do that how many times a year? Once?
I would do that once every 2 years.
And how much does that cost you?
That runs $450.
$450.
$450. But
Okay.
that actually, the cable, as the cable goes through, it doesn't get all the roots because how
Uh-huh.
it flops in there. Well, the hydrojetter goes in and a high pressure water emulsifies and takes everything out of that line. It's safe for your line because the way they're at a 22-degree angle, so you're getting everything out.
But the Root-X might do that too.
The Root-X, Rootx.
Oh, the Root-X.
Yep.
Okay.
And that's a foaming. And then I would
And you'll
recommend.
put all this in your report, all
Yes.
your recommendations. Okay, that would be great.